Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to change Facebook page password. All right. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, open up the Facebook app. All right. Not Meta Business Suite. Open it up. I'm going to explain it to you. Why? Why do we need to open up the Facebook app? Because we don't have to change anything from our Facebook page. Okay. Or Facebook pages. In order to change a Facebook page's password, all you need to do is change the account's password, okay? Or your main profile's password. Again, this account right here owns both of these pages. So to change the password from your main Facebook profile. Now, how do we do that? Go ahead and tap on your profile right here at the top right. For iOS, it might be right here at the bottom right. Okay, I'm just guessing. Just find it and then go ahead and find the settings icon or the settings section right here. Tap on settings. And here, just tap on Meta Account Center. Now go ahead and scroll down and you have passwords and security. Tap on it. And then here, just go ahead and tap on change password. Select the Facebook profile. Type down your current password, new password right here, and retype the new password. Now that's basically it. Once that's done, if you want to, you can go ahead and choose to log out for all of your devices. If not, just leave it ticked and just tap on change password and you're good to go. That is it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.